Nick! Nick!
Huh? Juliet? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie! Not at all! What? Oh no.
Nick, I had to!
Oh god! Fuck! Oh god! Where's my fucking body? Oh fuck!
Don't get mad! I didn't know what to do!
How am I still alive? How am I still talking? Without a fucking thorax!
I performed a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my deep decapitated head?
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kind of, sort of,
Juliet?
don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies!
I'm
Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What?
Don't hate me!